Let me show here. So you see here I have this. So you're going to come here, show hiding folders. You're going to look for .trash. So you're going to delete this folder. Let me show you. So here I have megabits, right? I'm going to delete this folder. Okay, and let's wait to see how much space we're going to get back. So you can see here that it is deleting a lot of files. And now if we come here, see 73 gigs available. So why is that? It's because Zorin has by default something that is like a safe delete. So when you delete something here, this go straight to this .trash folder. If you don't want this to happen, you can come here in preferences and select this second option here. It's definitive elimination, or I don't know how it is in English, but in Portuguese, but yeah, you're going to select to delete it. So when you delete things will be deleted. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to say. So hope I help you guys, and thank you so much.